Today we're going to TFTI! Yay! We're inside! Let's go check it out! First up, the cloud room.
The cloud room makes you feel like you're way up high in the sky. You can swing through the air with the clouds around you. The bright baby blue room makes you feel light and free. The next room has a bin filled with lots and lots of tennis balls. You can pose like your favorite tennis player or dive right in and have fun.
Monster tennis balls with tennis balls all over. Tennis balls.
Then we went to an area with a wall filled with flowers. There's a giant teddy bear you can cuddle with. There's also a big puppy to hang with you too. Right next door is a room where you can have a fun pillow fight. This is a super fun room to use the boomerang feature on. One of the coolest rooms at TFTI is the mirror room. The mirror room has mirrors on the floor, ceiling, and all of the walls. There are also a lot of lights that change colors. Check out my slideshow at the end to see a shot of me looking like Hook. Are you in love? Well, after this room, you will surely feel like you are. There are roses and rose petals everywhere. It's one of the prettiest rooms at TFTI. I got a lot of awesome shots in this room. Let's fill the next area. These lanterns are so beautiful, and I totally need to buy one for my room. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw some of my upside down shots. Well, this is how I did them.
Wow!
One of my most favorite things in the world are kitty cats. So this room was amazing. I had the perfect shirt for it too. Meow! The last spot we visited was a slide and ball pit. I'm sliding into McDonald's instead of DMs. We had so much fun at TFTI. It's totally worth it for all the fun and awesome pictures you get.
That was so much fun! It was best about this part. You can get bumpy right away.
Here were some of the shots from my visit. They will be in my city for a bit longer. Keep an eye out to see where they will be going next. Follow them on Instagram at TFTI Experience. Click the subscribe button and we will see you guys next time. Bye!